Welcome to another video. I am currently in Pohnpei right now. If you are new to our channel today, I'd like to welcome you. I'm currently now in Pohnpei right now. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, I would encourage that you will be part of this family and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any videos in the coming future. Today, it's going to be just another day here in Pohnpei. I'm going to go ahead and vlog and hope you guys are or hope to take you guys along on the journey so that you guys can see what we're going to do today. So again, we're just going to spend a little time with family. Today's the last day on the island, and so we'd like to try to make as much time as possible to just do what we can on the island of Pohnpei. Stay tuned. I will show you a little bit of the view of where I am right now, because it is just unbelievably beautiful. Look at the view. Our time is currently like 7:04 right now in the morning, and the ocean is very calm, lightly raining, and okay, again, I will show you, or I will talk to you later, and hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I will see you on the island of Pohnpei. So this place is called the Mangrove. This place is at Sokas, right? Oh no. It's next to Sokas. My bad. And of course, this is the island life. The Pohnpei Road. You gotta get used to it. Gotta get used to it. So here we are going up the hill. All right. You gotta watch out on the island, because you just gotta have to do the fast and furious, because everybody's furious about the driving environment. Okay. And as I make my turn, I want to make sure that I avoid trying to get stuck and get thrown into the big holes. But this is going from Mangrove Hotel to Sokaspa. And again, our time now is 7:35, so it's still in the morning. Even though everybody's still sleeping, most people are already up, going after that donuts, the famous Namiki donuts. Yeah. So this is going down to Sokas. Hey, videographer, you don't have to be stiff, because the camera will do its job. So you don't have to make it steady. It will do its job. Okay? All right, now we are on the Golden Bridge, the Golden Gate, here in San Francisco. Take it to on the side. Oh, there's more family. Here's more family. Here's more family. Okay. Those are our family from Vietnam. Our Vietnamese family. No, I'm kidding. That's the famous BJ. Man, and you know that guy? He travels around the world. He's got the what do you call it? The United Airline tickets for life, like I don't know what they call it, but those people who have the privilege to travel the world all year long. So he's been traveling ever since 2000. 24 or 25. Alright, so this is Sogas. Lots of trees and bushes and coconut trees and all the green. If I'm not mistaken, I believe Pohnpei is the number 2 place here on Earth. I could be wrong. Don't take my word for that, but I think it's the second place where it rains a lot. Yeah. So it rains all year long. They never ever run out of water. Okay. This is a beautiful island. People of Pohnpei, thank you very much. You guys have a beautiful place. I know I've been here before and I've stayed here 7 months here in Pohnpei, but during that time, that's when what? Oh, okay. So, all right. Who's been texting? All right. Here, wait yet. Apple, if okay. Alright, I'll see you inside.
Oh, sit there. Rope.
Ayan ang room nun.
Alright, this is where the rest of the family. Salut. Har kapo pi apa dah buat video kapo apa sok kapo. Kapo Belisa. What? Potato tossa pu Belisa. Okay. Hello. You guys want to say hi? Huh?
Hi.
All right. All right. We're gonna go ahead and head inside. So this is the Cliff. I think it's Cliff Restaurant. Yep, okay. Good morning, good morning. I think I'm gonna change the because it's too dark inside. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Salam. We're having breakfast with the President of Federal States of Micronesia, First Lady. If it was. So we're very special treat from the President of Federal States of Micronesia.
Pohnpei at Pohnpei Mangaron, as President for the First Lady, the sponsor, Desoralla. Kita bari perete palkanek ras kiriso, sangi ras ke pansoros gosuk, or kiriso ngari President angkalu. Fitikit ada panson viewing, samen pada fikiran mai le pon maf bela tu emer feditan nang pon President lado panson, pon fikiran mai renang pon memot. Tori pada seseorang awan turuget kiriso ta buren de tibom ipal. Pai lakan iket, kita pon kiriso ngaro buren lete sawai kis. Sahabat itu sudah balik seseorang pisau tabu.
Hari kiri. Betul no kio support turun kan. So this is the another presidential table sitting out here.
That's okay.
Would you like to say something to the vlog?
Wait, can you cut this out? I'm gonna tell you something.
Alright.
We vlog. I'm so sorry. But I ran out of clothes, so this is the dress I wore for graduation. But yeah, tell them where you're at. I am at Insane Restaurant on the Cliff. We're having once in a lifetime, as she said, breakfast with the president.
Who said? Can you
And
cut that out? Can you cut that out?
and then I'm gonna now pass the mic to my Auntie Apla. Auntie Apla? If you never know, Apla means sister in Turkish dramas, so that's why she's my Auntie Apla.
She heard
my
Mama.
auntie sister.
She heard Mama speak on. Alright.
Jersey
Walay, Jersey, Karanya.
Nga sa patoron no. Nga President Asia ifaya vira para vira kuwi. Oh, ibe apa warna pon event First Lady. Ren. Pansi simna. Mi pan murur simna. Nunda cakar last name meran president. Inge pacak no kepurwanan. Kerarir. Erku neriwe pack up is no Lily. Enam nuke. Iradiera President, First Lady, on the left or on the right, and on the far left, right where I'm pointing at, right there, that's the second lady, and that's the Vice President of Federal States of Micronesia. They're all just talking politics. And then Vice President Minor Herr Miller. Yeah, I think he's still thinking about what project to give it to the Federal States of Micronesia. He's still thinking. Just very quiet but very creative in his thoughts. Metal. Yeah, si beri aski wo. War president apa request. We're trying to request for the Wi-Fi, but they said it's only for the guests. But I think it's probably best if we ask the president to inquire for the password from the restaurant, because we need Wi-Fi passport.
Jamais faire la fête une fois. Il n'a plus parlé à l'heure pour vous voulez vous sentez pas mauvais. Solo mi amor sempre mi dà. Sempre papà. Ako sa pare mo sa pili niya, ni pero sa pare ta mig mga yung kanya na. Sige nga nagpitin lilir ni ko. Pero sa non nga. Sa to ani retire tori. Wesley po to na ko po na bali. Iye jamais te kana pesa. Iye te fa pare. Na ni para sa tuloy ti pere me ya sa bali de kanya ni na passport. Kaya siya na parme ano. Na ya isclaimet petlin melilira po sebe po net. Boleh itu resign deh. Kalau macam mana, boleh macam potong iya apa pasal. Ya. Ini ayah pasal pada pasal yang Kristo, Kristo yang nabi Musa, Kristo yang naik kau Musa, pergi men sini naik. Ya itu kan, ya apa yang nak mesti kau yang. Mr. Chapel, First Lady. Mr. Lady. Anyway, na kahit ko kahit ito nga ito. So.
Ako ba mucha barata at kapasikin so gini sa waskot. Kaya sa kasi barawi sa bato itu sugen nori dia. Isor dia tu pari Mary apa sa cek paucen hui at favi patin soguru president first lady perwet metewa pari gigi sampai fokun papa ni pari ciwa kiti der norat turuti not chubu bere tibeta pokubiri so jabu na riwe pochiki itu so jabu.
Afite se Piero. Afite se Piera. Afite se Piera. All right, what are you having?
Link sausage.
Okay, look at what we got. What are you having, Mommy? Well, it looks like we have Portuguese sausage, right? What is that, fish? Fried fish? Okay. Sokone? What's that? Sokun? Eggs? How come you didn't finish your corned beef? Eh? Huh?
Like that.
What's your order? What did you order? Monica, how come you didn't just take that from them?
I waited this long, they couldn't get my order right. They had all of this.
Okay, so they just got their food, and on that table, they're still eating. It looks like they're already wrapping up, while from the inside, we're still waiting for the rest of our food.
Loco Moco did some recognition.
What happened?
Loco Moco making it to PNI because we have some fans behind right here. Yeah. I think they're waiting for you to approach them.
I'm shy too. Monica, you should go in there and say, you know that I'm famous. Our food's supposed to be fast and it's supposed to be free.
Wait, you're more their age group.
Huh?
Because I said you're more their age group. Monica's like our age, the younger age.
Should I tirara tema presidera? Oh, ora torsia cheke shora. Second lady, afamura.
Yung tayo rin yung pwede rin. Nararamay mo rin. Yung pwede curry police na pwede.
All right, I'm the last one to take my food. Finally.
It's okay, you can film in peace.
Huh?
You can film in peace.
Yeah, I can film it. Can I get the thing? I'm gonna. Oh, I need a fork. I'll just use your fork.
Oh, you know me, sorry.
Oh, never mind. Thank you. All right, I got my food here. I got the Islander corned beef. Yes, and we already prayed. So thank you very much. I was kidding earlier, but I know that there's a lot of us in our group, so I do understand the stress that they have back in the kitchen. They're in there. Yeah. So don't worry, chef. I understand the stress. I know you're just trying to do your job. Okay. Corned beef, bon appetit.
Oh, they said no? Because you have equal?
What? Oh, the Wi-Fi. There's no Wi-Fi.
No, 3 what that's the one. You guys cannot get a SIM card? Like a...
Oh, your phone is not unlocked.
Oh, you just bought your phone? My phone is unlocked now. 6 months ago.
All right, I'm gonna eat fast so we can get out of here. Saúde?
Ya, mire, que sou já. Bem que é, vai hoje vai. Que sabe só.
Então a teoria então seria ismik tahu comprei vou cafetir porque te pode para passar e que te pode mal na frente,
É, eu
E é rap é vitória
Eu cho nói ai cho anh đi ra chơi về ya. Rian terus sudah di gue.
Okay. Okay. Mira, isso. Toasted. Para chica. Ngete pan me. There's just one missing in here. My fish. Monica, what's missing from your food? How come you're not eating it?
Because I had pancake.
Can I eat your Portuguese sausage?
Yes, I didn't touch it.
You know, Portuguese sausage
But it's really salty.
in the States is like gold.
Yeah, do you know Uncle Jack filled up a whole ice chest of Portuguese sausage for carne?
Portuguese sausage?
But I like the
Maui.
That's good. I'm gonna finish up my food. We'll talk later. All right. I think we're just wrapping up on the food. I'm blessed to see some family members here in Pohnpei, but I'm gonna give them a chance to say hello. Met ma, kisa pa sa op ka po, awit ka po. Bakon na po si kaparon.
Parats kapong ngeri kevi. Pakiri so we ats patsi fagari kerai. Fawe kapong ngeri FSM kaseleni amain. Kapok seri Pohnpei. Ngeri kevi very sit. Ora kapan mama oi, kapan si seberi kisnore abi yotek. Kiri so.
Oh ya. Ni pak kapong seri kem medicine pagari kevi. So
Rarani pakapok siri kem medicine ngeri kevi atoyats mi toa. Rarani kasleni.
Anna.
Kasap ka po.
Oh, rarani ngeri kevi medicine.
Cristo. Okay. Vira apa par gawa pa chitori itu apa pak kato. Okay. Cristo. Pupura. Ari ke mi pusiro ratna program ngasi prefer pusirachi program ke wasi. Ever. Iwa si pura cek na wala chi chepet, iwa cek me pusira pasabet awat apa sa non video. Iwa si puputa bebek. Cek pasiri ruch namai.
Iwa iso shopper pal ash kapong everyone son. Subscribe.
Renalam ngami kismonsan. Iwa ina. Kiliso mo yung samo. Sama tila. Anas mo ko. Iwa, ya verso po misinu so pal life ni asi. Iwa. Ako, iwa na apa na. Oh, renanim medicine kapag seri Melissa seri sopu pagkawin ngeri kebit sa tawan. Kiriso geri presenter po sa fukun mat narire. We. Save.
Ei puhua korperman fosfatfite. Iwe pore kapongere ya sorperi ya besopuk. Par sorgeri. Eri beriku. Pawa titi tap tank poyam pore pues. Eri beriku kau nama. Raranim at kapongeri John Nepukos statawan umen Kristo. Thank you skan ya.
Eu isa par klaro pengingin sa tawan arangingin Pohnpei are. Liso siya por pasapal breakfast le sore sa panon. Yawe tanami page M3 MB3. Thank you so much Muti and Lily. Liso ach kapong.
Oh, palas kapangani kami monson.
All right, thank you. We'll see you guys later. All right. So this is the crew. Yeah. We just finished our breakfast / lunch, and now we're gonna head out to cruise. Big crew. All right. What a blast. We'll see you next time.
That's my childhood home.
Huh?
Over here, let me show you.
All right, let's see mommy's childhood home. Where? Show me so Elston and Marlson can see it. Where's your...
Number 3.
So somewhere down there, that's where Mommy
Fairfield,
used to live, or that's where she grew up?
That's Iwan John Fairfield.
Uh-huh.
And then Iwan A. Folin. That's Iwan A. Folin.
Okay.
Can I wrap it up?
Okay. Yep.
Huh?
Lor.
Yeah. Oh,
Vice President.
Kasi
Kasi grawawa ka bumuat nga biyor meron presidente wa sister ka porro aropot wato ren liliwa ka porro ren minor me pansi poko pokal me para tirir me. All right, today we feel so special because we just finished our breakfast with First Lady and the big man, the boss of the Federated States of Micronesia. Thank you very much for your hosting the breakfast this morning. We want to thank you on behalf of our M3E. Thank you for taking us to have breakfast at the Glyph. What's the name of this place again? Glyph. And thank you to the owner. Thank you for a wonderful meal. And thank you to all the crew that came along. I'd like to appreciate all of you. And then also some new folks, new faces in the video. Appreciate you for saying something. Huh? Yep. All right. Now we're gonna head back because today is our last day to circle the island of Pohnpei. All right. I hope the camera does not. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna wait. Sorry. All right. Okay. This is. Huh? This way? Why? Okay. All right. We're taking this route. Oh, it's hot. Okay. So we're gonna go circle the island of Pohnpei. I feel like the camera is gonna drop. Using as if it's steady because of the bumpy road. Oh, minate kiserer ka pusif. Okay. Kapag introduce let them know where this is at. This is Omine.
Turn right.
Alright. Turn right. Again, for those of you who just dropped in the video, thank you for stopping by. And also, if you don't know where we're at, we're in Pohnpei. We're in Pohnpei, the state of Pohnpei, one of the states here in Micronesia, Federated States of Micronesia. We got Chuuk, Pohnpei, Kusrai, and Yap. And we are on Pohnpei. Oh. Okay. Again, so thank you, Mr. President. I know you don't watch YouTube, but I will say thank you on behalf of the team, on behalf of everyone. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Okay, we're close to the main road. Yeah, people not everywhere. Are we next to the Joy restaurant? Huh?
Last week.
Okay, Joy restaurant just closed down last week.
Oh, yeah, Sunset Coronto.
Where?
Their main. Yeah. Their office too.
Yep. So So on the left,
Bishop's.
Joy Hope. Huh?
That's sunset.
Oh, this is Sunset. And this is. Wait, is this the same house? Oh, that's the house that they used.
No, that's my.
Uh,
Kala retwara.
oh, huh?
Aran pa retwara flatbed.
Wow. Hey.
Talaga.
Oh, yes, Garararia Castle. Same price.
Okay, yun is $400 plus. I'm gonna go to my friend's gas station. I'm Clara gas station.
Okay, we're gonna go support Lily's sister. Right? Turn right? Taking a shortcut. I noticed that there's a lot of flatbed. Huh? Cut truck. Which is kind of nice. Oops. Watch out, man. Oh, after 11:29.
So why do you need to go around? Oh, that is gonna pick up.
Yeah. All right, guys. We're gonna show you the the entire way to Sokas.
Yes.
Sokas. Sokas pa. Sokas pa. All right. So we're next to on the right. We're next to Pohnpei. Or how do you say the name of this place? Pohnpei Terrace or Pohnpei?
Palm Terrace. Man, Palm Terrace. PALM.
Okay, straight ahead is the Bank of FSM. Bank of FSM. All right. Palm Terrace. Rodia? Oh, yep. We just saw the wife of former president.
Ito siya per terfer kaya mas scroll ka.
Check. Oh. Vad därför? Är det trafik i torset?
Wala siya pwede burden. Siya nakikiri man po rin. Nagfatag man do.
Kukurin. Kukuriran. Cover of chori because Chandririk cup I need it.
But ang ini kay kanapos bigan ko nang may musik.
Okay.
Ay kanapos siya lang ng musik ka. May koy.
I need a trash bag just in case if I decide to swim.
What do you mean decide? We're all swimming.
Oh, that's a must. That's a must. Yeah, short ticket. Huh? Yes, I got crowded ticket. That's just the thing. I don't like to go somewhere it's crowded. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on pause now.